everything will be fine inshallah. Inshallah. Okay. Salam alaikum.
طبعا بكرهه يا ماما يعني اتجوزته ليه؟ يا ماما we have a pair of Muslims on the plane.
Are you f***ing serious? Get him!
Oh, can I actually have an unopened can?
Why? Do you have something planned?
Wow, the jets are right next to our window. Is this safe here?
I don't know. Get him! Ah! Miss, do you have a snack bar?
What did you just say? Allahu Akbar.
No.
Enough is enough! I done had it with these motherfucking Muslims on this motherfucking plane.
It's a snack bar, I swear.
Everyone strapped in.
Please.
I'm about to open some fucking windows.